Video I'm going to show you how to delete viruses like pop-up virus or virus that force your Android phone to install different applications even you don't want to install those applications. You don't need to flash your Android phone ROM. You don't need to do that. What you're gonna need to do is, it's very easy guys, you just need to install this application, this one, the 360 security antivirus. Just search that to Google Play and install it. So I already installed it, so I'm gonna open it now. 360 security. So what you're gonna need to do guys is to do these three: the boost, the clean, and especially the antivirus. So once you do the boost, clean, then go to antivirus, then just tap scan. So after you finish the scan, it will show you the viruses found on your phone, and it will tell you what you're gonna do to those viruses found. Then just follow it. So if it's running different um, services or application, it will tell you just to force to stop that or disable, or this antivirus will delete um, those viruses by itself. So just follow the instruction that will this antivirus will tell you, so that you can delete those viruses. So I already delete the different viruses from my phone, so it's now secure, no threats found. So that's it guys, just install the 360 security. It's very helpful. Just do the three: the boost, the clean, and especially the antivirus. Then your phone now is good to go. You don't need to flash ROM to your Android phone, especially if you can't find ROM for your Android phone. You don't need to do that. So just install it. It's very helpful. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.